Hello students, welcome to this online lecture of English. Dear students, in last video lecture, I explained all about syllabus and unit test exams and other exams. In today's lecture, we actually start the syllabus. In today's lecture, I'm going to teach you first section prose 1.1 being neighborly. So let's ready for the lecture. Ready for your text, notebook, pen and pencils. Look at the first one, section 1 1.1 being neighborly, page number 1. If you have textbook, just open your textbook and let's do some activities because after a long time you started some activities. Last year we unable to complete some due to some COVID pandemic situations and due to some problems we unable to touch up in the text. So now it's new beginning of our journey because now you are admitted in junior college. So let's begin with new syllabus and new knowledgeable things. So let's see the first one, section 1. It is prose being neighborly. Look at the title, being neighborly. Guess the meaning and write in your English notebook what you exactly got, what you exactly understand the word neighborly. If you observe, spelling is different. Being neighborly, what is the actual spelling of the neighbor? Yes, you know that, but here the spelling is different. Why it is different, I'll explain later. Before that, let's see the activities. First activity is icebreakers. Read the following statements and mark those that apply to you. This is personal response questions, students. Those point or those statements, those you applied, those statements you have to just mark and write down in your English notebook. Let's see the first statement. I make friends easily. Making friends easily, it is totally depending of our nature, our personality, how we touch up, how we share our ideas thought with our friends, how we understand their world. So on that basis, according to our nature, we make our friends easily. If you make friends easily, you can just write this statement in your side. Next one, I wish to be friends with someone, but my friendship is rejected. I wish to be friends with someone, but my friendship is rejected. Why are friends rejected our friendship? Obviously, might be our nature. They dislike our nature. They dislike our personality, or their personal reason, personal problem. But we just evaluate ourselves. Really, we wish to be friends with someone. Honestly, pure friendship, no fluttering, no time pass. We evaluate ourselves, then just mark your statement. Let's see the next point. Someone has extended a hand of friendship towards me and I accepted. I have not accepted it. Someone has extended a hand of friendship towards me and I have not accepted it. Really, you are accepted or not accepted, you know that very well. Why you accepted? You know more about you. And why not? You also know about that. So you just think about yourself honestly, sincerely, then just occupied with the given statements. Got it? Let's see the next one. I have a large group of friends, but no best buddy. See, sometime what happened, we have lot of friends or lot of followers on Instagram, social media, lot of friends on Facebook, but no one is best. Why? Think about this. If yes, you're not occupied by this statement, but if not, if this statement is correct for your side, then just you must think about this. Next one, I have a small group of close friends and have no wish to interact with anyone else. I have a small group of the close friends and have no wish to interact with anyone else. Why not? Just think, just in front of mirror, stand in front of the mirror. You know very well, you know your positive points, negative points, your like things, dislike things, and after that you have to just occupy the given points. Last point of the first activity, I have cordial relationship with all, but I cannot connected with anyone. I have a cordial relationship with all, but I cannot connect with anyone. According to the connections to each other, connection means you must be touched physically, mentally, socially, psychologically. You know, you try to understand the feelings of your friends also know yourself, know your nature, know your personality. On that basis this statement is given. So in the first activity, just mark the statement those apply to you. If all points apply, you can just write all points in your English notebook. If not, which statements applied, you just think and you just mark. Got it? Let's see the second activity. Complete the following wave diagram. Here the diagram is given. According to the diagram, you have to just complete, such as the friendship to me means what? Having long long conversations, giving and receiving gift. Other points such as ready to sacrifice anything, giving support to each other, get moral support in difficulties, caring and sharing. So friendship to me means what? According to your nature, your personality, you just occupied your points and complete the wave diagram. Got it? Next activity, activity 3. If you see someone lonely or sad, what you have to do? You will If you see someone, your best friend, it's lonely, no any best friend with him or her, he or she is lonely or he or she is sad, what you will uh, you will you will help him or her in difficult times, then you will cooperate him or her in difficult situation, you will comfort him or her, you will talk with him or her and try to understand her problem and tries to solve her or his problems. So these types of the activities which occupied by given here. So we just completed the activities. Now let's see the actual lesson, being neighborly. Let's see the more information about writer. Being neighborly, this is very beautiful lesson written by Louis May Alcott. Louis May Alcott, she was born in 1832 and she passed away in 1888. She was an American writer in the mid of the late 19th century. She is considered to be one of the earliest feminist writer. Feminist means female writer, male writer and female writer. So feminist means what? Female writers. Out of the several books, she wrote her stories, beginning with Little Woman. Little Woman has been hugely popular among the masses and critics alike for century, and have her simple style and lyric characters have left a mark and influenced generation of children and adults like. The setting of her book is the suburbs of Boston. Her worldview is wholesome and full of believable, yet charming characters which captivates the readers. The following extract, being neighborly, is from her Little Woman, which was first published in 1868. This story of this is the story of four sisters: Meg, Jo, Beth, and Amy. Their friend Laurie, their wise and loving parents of modest means, living in suburb of city in the east coast of America, has caught the imagination of generations of readers, young and old alike. Each character is real and distinctive. We remain firmly with the sisters, though all their struggles, conflicts, triumphs, and joys. It serves as a guiding light to us in all the phases of our lives. The extract affords us a tantalizing glimpse of into the book and narrates the beginning of lifelong friendship between Joe, the brightest and liveliest of the four sisters, and Laurie, their wealthy new neighbor, the March girls and Laurie became best buddies and much more as the book progresses. Now let's see the characters of the story. According to this prose, there are different types of the characters. The characters such as first characters is the major characters Josephine March, the protagonist of the novel and second oldest March sister Jo. She is the protagonist of the novel and second oldest March sisters Jo, who wants to be a writer. It's based on Louise May Alcott herself, which makes the story semi-autobiographical. Jo has a temper and a quick tongue, although she works hard to control both. She is tomboy and reacts with impatience to many limitations placed on women and girls. So this is the character of Josephine March, protagonist of the novel. Got it? Let's see the next character. Next character is the Meg in Four Sisters. Meg March. March is the surname of four sisters. Jo, Meg, Bet. She is the oldest March sister. Meg is the oldest March sister. She is responsible and kind. She has a small weakness for luxury and leisure, but the greater part of her is she is a gentle, loving, and morally vigorous. So this is the nature of the Meg March sisters. Next one, third character is that Beth March. Beth March is the third March's daughter. Beth is a very quiet and very virtuous. She does nothing but tries to please others. She adores music and plays the piano very well. So this is the character sketch of Beth March. Next important character is that Amy March. She is the youngest March girl and youngest March sisters. Amy is an artist who adores visual beauty and has a weakness for pretty positions. She is given to fits of temper and vanity, but she does at times to improve herself. So this is the character sketch of Amy March. So these are the four sisters of the March. Next one is that next characters Laurie Lawrence, the rich boy who lives next door to the March family, means neighbor of the March family. Laurie, whose real name is Theodore Lawrence, he is charming, clever, and has a good heart. Next character is that Mr. Lawrence, Laurie's grandfather and the March's next door neighbor. Next neighbor, he seems gruff, but he is loving and kind. So this is the nature of Mr. Lawrence. After Lawrence family, next one is that the Marmee. Marmee is the March girl's mother. Marmee is the role model for her girls. She can console them through all of their problems and works hard. Her husband is at war. Next character is that Mr. March. The March girl's father and the Marmee's husband is Mr. March. He serves in the Union Army as a chaplain. So this is the another important major characters in the March in the prose being neighborly. Next character is that the Hummels, a family that lives near the Marches. The Hummels are poor and in bad health. This is the minor character in the story. And last character is that Aunt March, a rich widow and one of the March girls' aunts. Although irritated and difficult, she loves her nieces and wants to the best for them. So, dear students, in today's lecture, we just studied activities, writer's information, and the characters. In the next lecture, next video lecture, we will see the rest of the part of the prose. Thank you.